Friends, how many times have you had an idea for an app, but didn't know how to bring it to life? What if I told you there's a tool that can turn your ideas into fully working products in seconds, without writing a single line of code? That's exactly what we're diving into today. I'm Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today, we're exploring Emergent, a tool that doesn't just create pretty interfaces. It builds full production-ready apps, complete with backend and AI integrations. You even get real-time features without any messy setups. We're going to build a fully functional AI script generator that turns a simple topic into a ready-to-use video concept in no time. With just a few inputs, you'll see how the platform instantly generates a polished, creative result that's ready to go. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. And now let's get started. Guys, Emergent is a platform that transforms your ideas into real, fully functional apps through simple AI conversation. We're building a tool that creates a hook, script, hashtags, and thumbnail for your videos in seconds. No coding needed. What makes this impressive is how much heavy lifting it does. It doesn't just make a nice interface, it builds real production-grade products with a backend, database, and integrations. Emergent has been ranked #1 twice in global SVE benchmarks for development agencies, meaning this AI writes top-level code. Folks, you don't need API keys. Emergent includes major models like OpenAI and Claude, plus a native backend, so you can start building without connecting a dozen tools. Another great thing about Emergent is its flexibility. You can start with a simple idea and scale it as much as you need. Whether you want extra AI features, multiple user roles, or custom workflows, the platform adapts effortlessly. You're never locked into a template. It grows with your project, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced developers. It's growing fast, over 2 million users, and $25 million in revenue in under 5 months. We're building an AI script generator that creates short video content. Just type a topic and it gives you a hook, outline, call to action, hashtags, and thumbnail ideas instantly. I start by typing a prompt right on Emergent's main screen, just describing the app in normal, everyday language and telling it exactly what I want it to do. On the toolbar, I switch the AI work mode to Ultra, since that's the best option for more complex tasks. Then I pick the AI model, in this case Claude 4.5 Sonnet. There are other models too, but this one is more than enough for what we're building. In the prompt mates, I explain the full functionality. The user enters a video topic, and the AI generates the hook and script. It also provides a call to action, hashtags, and thumbnail ideas. Then I select Use the Emergent LLM key, which means I don't have to bother with API keys at all. Everything works out of the box. And I hit Send. Emergent immediately starts asking smart clarifying questions to make sure it builds exactly right. First, it confirms which model I want to use. I choose Claude again. Then it asks about story functionality. And I keep it simple. The user should be able to view and copy previous texts. After that, it asks about the settings, and I decide to create everything purely from the topic without extra filters like duration or style. Guys, it also checks what color scheme I want, so I ask for modern light gradients in purple and blue. Finally, I upload 3 or 4 realistic examples that users will see when they open the app for the first time. This gives a professional look right away and helps new users understand how the app works instantly. Once I answer everything and confirm, Emergent moves on to generating. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! In just a few minutes, it creates a fully working app with a clean interface. On the left you can see the development status showing what's already done, and on the right there's a live preview. It's called Script Generator, and you can immediately check out a few example outputs to see what it can do. I can open each one, and honestly the results look great, folks. It even makes thumbnail ideas automatically. In the history section, you can scroll through all the previous scripts and see how many hashtags each one includes. This way, you've got full control over everything you've generated so far. Guys, let's test it with something like best AI tools for content creators. Boom, Emergent instantly gives us a complete package, from hook and outline to CTA and thumbnail ideas. Every suggestion feels polished and ready to use, which would normally take hours to draft manually. This shows how fast and reliable the platform really is. Friends, then I ask it to add a PDF export feature, and it does that instantly. Now we can export any text as a PDF and download it. After that, I ask it to store all of them in a database, and within seconds, Emergent adds a full database to the project without me touching a single line of code. At this point, everything is ready to deploy. This costs 50 credits a month, and you can also run a pre-deployment health check, which I definitely recommend. So the system automatically scans the app for any errors before you publish it. Guys, now I want to take this system a step further, make it more flexible, powerful, and turn it into a subscription-based product. The first thing I want to add is a full user authentication system with email and password sign-up. So I just ask the agent to handle that. The agent immediately starts thinking through the task. It clearly understands what I'm asking for and even suggests a few authentication options on its own. It also recommends splitting users into free and premium tiers. Folks, I tell it to wire everything together and connect Stripe payments. The free plan gets 3 script generations per month, and the Pro plan costs $19 with unlimited generations. We wait a moment, and here it is, a fully built system that ticks all the boxes. Folks, let's see it in action. First, we go through the registration process. We're logged in, and the free version gives us 3 script generations. But as planned, we can upgrade to the Pro plan with Stripe payments built right in. Mates, let's give this a test in production. And just like that, the Stripe payment is working perfectly. Next up, I want to set up a PostgreSQL database with user tables, a subscriptions table, and a scripts table. Friends, the agent is now fully on it. Let's wait for the results. And here we go. The PostgreSQL setup is done. It's already generated the first screenshot, then the second, and now it's wrapping up the core logic. Now we've got a complete solution. We can deploy everything and just take a look around. We can even run a health check to see how the site is holding up. And check this out, folks. It even spots issues with the MongoDB migration and fixes them automatically. Everything's running smoothly. Guys, we can also save this project to GitHub, and it will be connected there. Then we can create a fork. Here you can see the summary that the agent generates for it. So we fork it, and the project is deployed to GitHub successfully. We can review the summary, check the session, and share it by simply copying the link and viewing everything online. All the prompts are saved here. No matter how many times we update them, everything I was looking for is there. You can work as a team, which is actually what I did. Mates, we can also view the code that was generated on this platform. It's loaded in the web version of VS Code, and we can see the full structure. With just one button, you can deploy the project instantly to the resource. After seeing the app in action, it's easy to see how useful it can be. A content creator can input their video topics, and Emergent instantly generates a script, hook, hashtags, and thumbnail suggestions, saving hours of work. Alright folks, that's a wrap. So what if your next viral project wasn't just an idea, but something you could actually launch today? Emergent makes that possible, letting you go from concept to a working app in minutes without any roadblocks. You've seen how a simple idea can become a working AI script generator, so you can focus on creating instead of technical details. This practical tool is perfect for creators, entrepreneurs, and anyone who wants to turn ideas into working solutions quickly and without coding. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.